Israeli defense company Elta Systems has placed a major 154.8 crore rupees order with India's DCX Systems Limited for the supply of radio frequency electronic modules. Russia has formally raised the issue of Indian ammunition reaching Ukraine during discussions between Russian Foreign Minister and his Indian counterpart. The DRDO is preparing the maiden launch of the air-launched long-range land attack cruise missile for the Air Force this year. India's Society of Indian Defence Manufacturers has signed 2 MOUs with Emirates Defence Companies Council and Edge Group to collaborate in joint design and development of UAVs and missiles, deep tech research and innovation, and co-development and co-production of existing technology. The DRDO has prioritized the development of the anti-drone high-power microwave system. Johnnette Technologies has showcased its JF-2 lightweight hand-launched fixed-wing drone at the inaugural India UAE Defence Partnership Forum. A senior defence official has said that the older T-72 tanks of the Indian Army will be upgraded domestically and then offered to foreign buyers, as countries in Africa, Middle East and Far East Asia have expressed interest in acquiring them. In a goodwill gesture, India has decided to roll over a $50 million treasury bill for an additional year, upon the request of the Maldives government. The fabrication of the 1,000 km range ship-launched anti-ship subsonic cruise missile version of Nirbhay missile has started, and the DRDO aims to commence developmental trials within the next 12 months. The Universal Vertical Launch Module is also ready, that will accommodate both ship-based subsonic missiles and BrahMos supersonic cruise missiles. The DRDO has already tested the submarine-launched variant twice last year, while the air-launched variant will be tested from Su-30 aircraft by end of this year. After the recent operationalization of the second ballistic missile submarine INS Arigat with the 3,500 km range K4 submarine-launched ballistic missile, experts have said that the K4 features zero circular radar probability, and its accuracy surpasses that of Chinese missiles. From its deployment in the northern Bay of Bengal, the K4 will enable it to target all of Pakistan and most of China, that significantly enhances India's nuclear deterrence. The DRDO developed 2 kW directed energy weapon system has completed trials on board Indian Naval Warships, and this development paves the way for the integration of even more powerful systems up to 100 kW into the Navy's frontline warships, that will be capable of neutralizing a wide range of threats like small caliber mortars, rockets and unmanned aerial vehicles. Initial assessments by Indian Air Force officials suggest that the Embraer C-390 Millennium transport aircraft might be the most feasible option for its multi-role transport aircraft program. Officials have highlighted the design of C-390 as a key factor in its favor, that offers greater potential for multi-role development, like an AWACS variant, weaponized maritime patrol variant, a refueling tanker for aerial refueling, as well as an A-star platform. The C-390 has also been offered at a more competitive price compared to some of its competitors. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.